What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and we're gonna get out here and ride, but right now I am waiting for my boy Bo, aka Jersey Bagger. Stay tuned. He's revamping the good old YouTube, so check him out. I'll leave a link below. And he's doing some things with his bike right now that I can't really tell you, but you'll see him on the bike. But that will be the before, and then a few months, I want to say a month or two, he's getting he's getting a lot of work done, and it's gonna come out to be a beast. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you check him out. But right now we are going to get this cold start on this 2020 Road Glide with the S&S 475 cam in this Milwaukee 8 114 with the Bassani pipe 2-in-1. And I also will be doing some updates on this bike. As you can see, all this is banged up on the Bassani, but we got something in store for you, and I hope you guys like it. But right now, let's get this cold start. All right. So we got this cold start going. Sounds beautiful. There's my man Jersey Bagger. Look at this thing. What's going on?
Cleaned up.
What's up?
It's all cleaned up.
I know, looks good. Looks very nice. Alright, so let's get on the bike. Let's go. Got the Indy Ridge gloves on. It is a little cooler right now, but it will warm up later. But these are nice for like this time of weather. A little cool in the morning, and then towards the afternoon it'll probably like 60s. But these are perfect, man. I really like these. It's coming apart a little bit because I freaking use it. Yeah, so we're gonna meet some of the fellas at the Starbucks. Live to ride to Starbucks. Maybe get a little breakfast in, a little coffee. And then, I don't know where we're going today. We're going to have some nice, beautiful ride. And hopefully we have some nice, clear roads. But it is Saturday, anywhere you go. Plus, it's going to be nice out. It will be definitely crowded everywhere today. So, for all my people that are on motorcycles and it's getting nice out, stay alert. I know cars can be assholes, but at the end of the day, if you're by yourself, you're riding by yourself, be very defensive. Always be on the defense. Always be looking out and have a safe ride like we're gonna have today. So anyway, we're gonna hit this highway, and I'll see you when we get to pulling up to. Oh, listen. So we're here in the parking lot of Starbucks. Over there, Starbucks. And John is wrenching on his bike in the middle of Starbucks. Sounds really nice. Put some new baffles in there. We got Cam's bike right here. Look at this.
Just got it running.
There you go. There you go.
Second day on the road. We're just finally back together.
It's the only shifts bike.
Honestly, for long trips, that's the only way to go. Trust me, man. When you're on the road doing 900,000, 800 miles, and you got a loud exhaust piercing at your ears, after you stop,
And of course, over here we have Glenn's beautiful BMW. This thing is a beast, man. I really like it. And we also have Nadal's beautiful CVO. He did put some carbon pieces on here. Look, there's a carbon cover. Got a nice new bar set up. Saw a video of that. Some Baja lights. Put the carbon piece right here. That's nice. Hand guards. Beautiful bike. So now we're heading to Bergen Harley. The sound of the twin cams. So Cam got a short shots, Vance and Hines, very nice, on his Dyna. Beautiful bike. So we're here at the Harley dealer. Look at this beautiful street glide. These are the new 2024s. Have to see them nice in person.
really nice color. This color TV.
Yeah. 24 all done up. High bars, air cleaner, Kawasaki short pipe. Looks nice.
A few moments later.
I'll let my pads go.
Hang on.
This one has
Leave-
25,000,
leave the-
24,000 miles.
Leave the pads
Jesus
in there.
Christ. We have to, I need a...
Hang on.
I need
They
to
got
have
no
a
meat.
life insurance
No,
policy.
no, you don't want to take them out. Hang on. Hang on a second.
Do you think I
Literally
fucked up the rotor?
scraping? A little
Yeah.
bit. A little bit, yeah. It's back brake. Buy a new rotor.
New rotor?
You got enough money.
Stop.
No,
Like,
you
is
don't.
that
No,
smooth?
it's, nah.
New rotor? Shut the hell up. Don't say that.
Listen, go feel everybody else's. They're supposed to be smooth, bro. They're not supposed to have grooves in them.
Here,
No,
compare them.
compared to that.
There's nothing. There's no pad
Let's
at
see.
all.
Show me. Bring the other one. Oh my God.
What's your name, Papa Smurf? Did you take the pin out of here?
No. This one we're gonna use. That's
No, I know, but,
But yeah, that's the old pin.
did you take the safety pin off of that, or did
Yeah,
you
I
have
did.
it?
I took
Okay,
it off.
okay.
It's somewhere around there. I want to put that chemical there. That thing.
Dude, wow. There's nothing left, huh?
Nothing left. It's a good thing. No wrong, John.
That's right.
No,
No,
the
the pads,
the
the
pad.
Backwards. Sorry, this side.
There we go.
Put that one on that side. Put it in.
Beautiful,
I
890.
like this color blue. I bought new levers for mine too. PCR. PSR. Same ones that Doll has on this.
What a great surprise!
What did I... Oh, Steve on the new ST. What's up, buddy? How you been, man?
What's up there, Sicky?
Let me take my gloves off so I can see how it's
Hey!
Hey, there it is.
What's up, guys? Hey, we knew you were coming. That's why we had to come here to meet you.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
Wow, sweet bike. Thank you.
What's up?
Well,
I gotta park on the side.
What's your impressions?
Still getting used to it. It's different.
Yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful,
Do
beautiful.
anything to it, right? No. Not yet. Not right now.
Dude, everything is
Carbon
Beautiful.
fiber.
Look at all that.
We were missing you this morning. I was like, where else?
Oh, congratulations, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you. Beautiful bike.
Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. Even though I knew.
Oh, what's going on?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Yeah.
My man.
Steve's beautiful new ST, but Vinny here got a 1000 SX. Look at this. It's beautiful. I want one of these. I wanted one of these sport tours. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah.
Love the bike. Everybody's getting new bikes.
I know. Congratulations. Congratulations.
The bags are nice too, man.
I know they look.
For the top there. Vinny's new bike. Oh, for the seat? No,
Ooh.
bag. Oh, I see. There's a piece that goes over that, yeah.
They sell them in green, red, black.
Everybody's getting nice bikes here, you know?
Sports tour.
It's a beast.
Small bag.
He just pulls in every gear.
Yeah, I could imagine.
Are you upright or you're a little bit forward?
A little bit forward.
But you could get a riser. They have a riser kit for this.
It's good for me.
Yeah.
Got Sammy's beautiful bike. Look at that. That's nice. I like this blue. He put the carbon fiber blue on there a few weeks back. Carbon fiber middle. Yeah. All chrome's always looking nice. Alright guys, we're getting out of here. Gotta head home real quick. But you know, just ran around a little bit, had a little fun with the boys. Congratulations, Steve. Beautiful bike. Enjoy. Yeah, so guys, if you like today's video, consider subscribing. Hit this like button on this video. And also, if you do hit it, you know, hit the bell notification. You know, me and the boys always get out, have a little fun, go around town, or even on long trips. So if you like that, I'll see you later.